You're asked to sketch the graph of this polynomial function without using a graphing calculator. Don't scale your axes, but be sure to label important points and then describe the end behavior. So on this one here, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find all my x-intercepts. And to do that, I'm just going to be looking at what makes the entire equation 0. So the first one here is -7. Second one here would be -4. Then 0 because of this one. And then +2. The other thing I'm going to look at is what's the degree. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 degree, and it's negative. So it's going to look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to look something like this in the end. Just some tips that we've picked up along the way of graphing. It doesn't necessarily look exactly like this, but I know that because it's an even function, both sides are going to point down. So in this one here, I will go ahead and start. Oh, I'll find one more point. I'll find the, I guess we already know the y-intercept is like 0, 0. So yeah, let's just get started on graphing this. So the first one, because it's to the power of 1, my graph goes through that. The second one goes through it, but it's in the form of a cubic function, so it kind of looks like that, like a cubic function. Then power of 1 goes through, and then another power of 1 goes through here. So it doesn't look exactly like this, obviously, but you can kind of see that both sides are going to be pointing down at the end here. So my end behavior as x approaches negative infinity, y approaches negative infinity, and then as x approaches positive infinity, y is still going to approach negative infinity because both sides are pointing down.